Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take vitamin C tablets. It's quite straightforward, but there are a few key things to keep in mind for optimal absorption and comfort. First, always check the specific instructions on your vitamin C supplement bottle, as dosages can vary. Generally, you can take these tablets with or without food, but many people find taking them with a meal helps prevent any mild stomach discomfort. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to dosage, most adults aim for anywhere between 250 and 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C per day. However, your body can only absorb so much at once. To maximize absorption, consider splitting your daily intake into two smaller doses. For example, you might take one dose in the morning with breakfast and another in the evening with dinner. This steady supply helps your body utilize the vitamin more effectively throughout the day. Vitamin C offers numerous benefits, primarily boosting your immune system and acting as a potent antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage. It also plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis, which is essential for healthy skin, bones, and connective tissues. While generally safe, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. They can provide personalized advice. Proper storage is key to maintaining the potency of your vitamin C tablets. Always store them in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and excessive heat, which can degrade the vitamin. Ensure the bottle is tightly sealed after each use to protect the tablets from moisture and air. And, as with all supplements and medications, always keep them safely out of reach of children and pets to prevent accidental ingestion. Your safety is paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.